Welcome back, Hungry Peeps, to another episode of Marino Eats. Last episode, we brought you guys some gingerbread cookies to go along with that Christmas spirit for the month of December. So today we're going to keep it going with some beautiful and tasty eggnog that we got going on. Low carb, sugar free. Some of the sugar free ingredients that we're going to use today: unsweetened almond breeze, milk. Honestly, you can also get other milk like coconut milk, unsweetened. The flax milk is really good and tastes exactly like milk. So yeah, anything works, but today we're using the unsweetened almond breeze. Also, for the sugar replacement, we're using some Swerve right here. You guys can also use any other sugar replacement that you guys want, but today we're going to use Swerve. So where we're going to get our fats from is the whipping cream right here. And also, the main ingredients, some eggs, all right? We're going to use 2 eggs today. All right, so yeah, let's get right into it, and yeah, let's see how this comes out. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just took the eggnog out of the fridge for we left it around 2 hours. Yeah, around 2 hours. And yeah, this is the finished product here. We topped it off with a little nutmeg on it, and we added 2 cinnamon sticks on there just to make it look all fancy and stuff. But yeah, let's check it out, see how it is. Really good. Tastes exactly like eggnog. Not too sugary though, too. Really good. If you guys want to get a little adventurous too, I've never done this before.
You sit on a throne of lies.
That if you add in some bourbon or rum or anything too, it gives it really good flavor too. And, if you want to, have a good time at your Christmas party or at work or family, add that right in there and let the good times roll, right? All right, well, hey, thank you. And hit that like button. Add any comments below if you guys have any questions or any new recipes you want me to do. And yeah, happy holidays. Have a good one, guys.